Celebrating its 90th anniversary, Moto Guzzi is Europe's oldest continuously operating motorcycle manufacturer. Moto Guzzi was founded in 1921 on the shores of Lake Como in the village of Mandello del Lario, Italy. The motorcycles are still manufactured there today. Over the course of its storied history, Moto Guzzi has more than 3,000 racing wins, including 14 Grand Prix titles, 22 world records, and 11 Isle of Man wins. Moto Guzzi is known for a series of industry innovations, such as the first swing-arm rear suspension in 1928, the first motorcycle wind tunnel in 1950, the first V8 cylinder race bike in 1955, and the unmistakable 90-degree V-twin. Moto Guzzi continues to be the classic Italian touring motorcycle with superior quality, performance, and design.